Want your child to really understand tech? Flip the script. Let them tell you the story. Hi, I'm Janice Spitzmiller, educational neuroscience and college admissions advisor. Initially, I focused on the developing brain and what impacts a child's behavior, cognition, and temperament. Then I realized that children need something schools don't teach. Now, I guide parents on how to empower their child and nurture their potential. After today, you'll spark curiosity in your child and let them lead the tech talk so they remember it and feel empowered. Today's roadmap is going to take us through the neuroscience of curiosity questions that you can ask your child, a real life parent story, mistakes, tips, and a recap. Here's the science. When kids are curious, their brains release dopamine, that's the feel-good chemical, and it boosts motivation and memory. Letting kids ask questions or tell their own story fires up those learning centers. Try questions like, how do you think Netflix knows your favorite show? If you had a robot helper, what would you want it to do for you? Why do you think Alexa can answer questions? Let them draw, act out, make up their own AI stories. Their brains will do the heavy lifting. If you find these tips helpful, subscribe so you can get more information on how to empower your child and nurture their potential. One mom asked these questions to her son, and he responded by drawing a comic book about his robot friend. He learned, created, and had fun all at once. Here's a tip. Don't lecture, listen. Ask open-ended questions and let your child lead. Dopamine will do the rest. Here's the recap. Curiosity is the ultimate brain boost. Let kids lead and you will learn. Share this with a parent who could benefit from the information.